YouTube is a popular video sharing platform that allows users to upload, watch, and share videos. It was created in 2005 and has grown exponentially since then, becoming one of the largest social media platforms globally. YouTube's popularity stems from several factors. Firstly, it offers a vast range of content across various genres, including entertainment, education, music, gaming, and more. Users can find videos on almost any topic imaginable, making it a go-to platform for entertainment, learning, and staying updated. Secondly, YouTube provides a platform for anyone to become a creator. Individuals and organizations can create their own channels, upload videos, and build a dedicated audience. This has led to the rise of YouTubers who have gained fame and influence through their content. Additionally, YouTube has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to discover and watch videos. Its algorithm suggests personalized recommendations based on users' viewing history, preferences, and trends, ensuring a tailored and engaging experience. YouTube's immense popularity is also attributed to its global reach. The platform is available in multiple languages, allowing creators and viewers from around the world to connect and share content. It has become a cultural phenomenon, shaping trends, promoting creativity, and connecting people across borders. Furthermore, YouTube's integration with other social media platforms and its accessibility across devices like smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs have contributed to its widespread adoption. Overall, YouTube's combination of diverse content, user-generated creativity, personalized recommendations, and global accessibility has made it an immensely popular video sharing platform, revolutionizing the way we consume and share video content.